Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the shadow resolution quality in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on this clipboard in main menu or by pressing escape and opening the settings. In here, select graphics. Look for the graphics tab. In here, look for shadow resolution. Select one of the presets. We have low, medium, high, very high, ultra, and back to low. Once you make a choice, hit apply to save the changes. Next, hit close and return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.